Hey YouTube, what's up? Diecast here doing a review on the Loopster. I'm not just gonna do one Loopster. What's a Loopster without other Loopsters? Now, I've heard that you can connect these together, but first let's just do an overview of the red one. So it's got nice yellow tempos, says Loopster right there. It's the hands-up variation. It's got the clips for the extra loopsters. Got yellow wheels and yellow racing tempos. Sorry if my hand's in the shadow. Sorry about that. You can see. Focus. Okay. As you can see, the hands-up variation. Okay, now time to connect them. Okay. Oh, they do connect. Fancy. I'll do this off camera. But what's your guys' personal opinion on the Loopster? Do you like it? You hate it? Would you collect a bunch if you could? Do you collect a bunch? Let me know. But yeah, so here's all the Loopsters. But anyways, if you like this video, like and subscribe for more videos in the future. And I will see you guys later. Peace out.